Good morning children. Today we are going to learn about birds from general knowledge. Children, birds are the most beautiful creatures in this world. They fly high in the sky. But do you all know how do birds fly? Birds have wings which help them to fly high in the sky. They have feathers, tail and beak. Now children, let's see the different parts of body of a bird. Now children, you can see over here, these are the different body parts of a bird. Now this is head. This is eye. This is beak. This is the body of the bird. These are the legs. This is tail. This is wing. Now these are the feathers. Feathers are covered all over the body of the bird. So children, these are the different body parts of a bird. Now children, there are so many different kinds and colors of bird in this world. You might have also seen so many different types of birds flying around your house. But do you all know their names? No? Okay, don't worry. I will tell you. Children, this is peacock. Peacock is our national bird. It is a very beautiful bird. It has long colorful feathers. See, you all can see the feathers. So long and colorful feathers it have, and it has a blue neck and a crest on its head. Children, peacock like rains. It loves rains, and you all know when it rains heavily, it opens its feathers like a fan and dances gracefully in the rain. This is crow. It is black in color and it has a long pointed beak. Children, crows are seen everywhere. Even you can see crows flying around your house, right? This is cuckoo. Children, cuckoo has a very sweet voice. It is black in color and it has a long tail. It is called the singing bird. This is sparrow. Children, sparrow is a very small bird and is brown in color. It has a small beak. See children, it has a small beak, and children, even sparrows are seen everywhere. This is eagle. Children, eagle is a large bird with dark brown color body. It has strong legs and a hooked beak. See children? And children, it is a powerful bird and can fly high in the sky. This is penguin. Children, penguins are found in icy cold regions. And you all know children, penguin cannot fly in the sky because they do not have wings. They have flippers. See children, these are the flippers of a penguin which help them to swim in water. They have a pointed beak. This is crane. Children, crane is white in color and it has long thin legs. Okay, it has a long pointed beak and it can fly high in the sky. This is swan. It is the beautiful bird which is white in color. It is a large bird with white feathers. Children, swan has a curved neck and a strong pointed beak. They cannot fly high in the sky. They have webbed feet which help them to swim in water. Children, this is ostrich. It is the largest bird. It has long legs and a long neck. Okay, it has a short wide beak. And children, you all know ostrich also cannot fly in the sky, but they can run very fast. This is pigeon. Children, pigeons are found in and around our surroundings. It is an intelligent bird. In ancient times, pigeons were used to send letters and messages. This is parrot. Children, parrot is a very beautiful bird. It is green in color and it has a red hooked and strong beak which help them to eat nuts. Children, parrots have a long tail. And you all know children, some parrots have the ability to talk like humans. This is cock. It has a strong beak and red comb on its head. It cannot fly high in the sky. This is owl. It has a round face and two big eyes. Children, owls are very active at night. That's why they are called night birds. It has a pointed beak. This is duck. It is yellow in color and it has a flat broad beak. Children, even ducks cannot fly high in the sky. They have webbed feet which helps them to swim in water. So children, we have seen the different types of birds. Some have small beak whereas some have long beak. Some fly high in the sky whereas some swim in water. Some have a short tail whereas some have a long tail. Now children, you all know where do birds live? Birds live on trees. They make their nest on the trees. You all can see over here. See, the birds have made a nest on the trees and they lay eggs also. See children, inside the nest you can see the eggs of the birds, right? They lay eggs. Now children, let's see the life cycle of a bird. Now this is a life cycle of a hen. Now here you can see this is a hen. It is an adult hen. Now what happens? Hen lays eggs, right? Now this is the egg of a hen. Now after some days, hen hatches its egg. And when hen hatches its egg, what happens? The young one of the hen comes out from the egg. Now, what is the young one of a hen called? It is called a chick. See, this is the chick. It comes out of the egg. It looks like its mother, right? But it is smaller. Now, after some days, it grows to become an adult hen like its mother. Okay, so this is the life cycle of a hen. This is hen. It lays egg. Now from the egg, the young one of the hen comes out. Okay, this is the young one of the hen. Now it slowly grows into an adult hen. Okay. So children, today we have learned different types of birds. Now let's see some common birds. Some common birds. Pigeon, parrot, sparrow, crow, owl and peacock. Okay children, you all have to learn this at home. We'll meet in another session. Thank you.